Hey there, welcome back. It's Gina from the Shabby Creek Cottage, and today we are going to make a pom-pom wreath. I asked over on my Instagram account, and lots of people wanted this tutorial, so here you go. We're going to start off by making a basic pom-pom. Just take a piece of cardboard, cut a slit in each end, and then weave a piece of thread through the ends to hold it in place. Then I have found that if you get 3 or 4, maybe even 5 or 6 different kinds of yarn and wrap them all around at once, number one, you get a fluffier bow. Number two, you get a more interesting pom-pom. But I did a few of these just by doing that, then unlacing it from the cardboard, tying a double knot, and then cutting it. I made quite a few with different threads, and then I did the same thing by wrapping one single strand around and around and around and making more pom-poms in each different medium at a time, yarn at a time, whatever you want to call it. So you just need to do a lot of pom-poms, and when I say a lot, you're going to need a ton, because you're going to take a piece of cardboard. Whatever kind of cardboard you have will work. You could even use a piece of like foam core from the dollar store, and then take a big plate or a bowl and make one bigger circle. Then you want to make a smaller circle inside of that and cut it out so that you have kind of a recycled wreath form. Now, if you had a wreath form, you could totally use that, but this one was free basically. So I'm all about some cheap crafts. Can I get an amen? So after I have that done, then I just start hot gluing them. I try to vary the textures that I use and the colors and the sizes of the bows, and I just test them and move them around a little before I place them randomly around the wreath form. And then once I have it done, that's really pretty much it. It's really just a matter of taking your time and playing around with it, having fun. Some of them you might need to make a couple of extra pom-poms here and there, and then to add just a little bit more interest, once it was completely finished, then I took some of the tiniest pom-poms and glued them up for like a second layer in some of the areas, and it kind of looks like a big old snowball wreath, if you ask me. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure that you follow or subscribe, depending on where you're at, Facebook or YouTube. And if you don't follow me on the other one that you're not on, you can go find me over there as well. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you do make it, make sure that you tag me at the Shabby Creek Cottage so that I can share you in my stories. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.